This tutorial review will show you how to solve Instagram verification code not received. Solution number 1. Make sure you are using the correct phone. If you're waiting for an SMS code and not receiving it, one of the most common problems is that you are using a different phone or have changed your phone number since configuring two-factor authentication. Solution number 2. Ensure you have a reliable internet and cellular connection. You won't be able to get a code from Instagram if your cellular connections is poor or you are out of the service area. Solution number 3. Make sure your phone isn't set to do not disturb. This one is easy to miss. It's possible you are in SMS messages arrive because your phone is in do not disturb mode. On the iPhone, swipe down from the top right of the screen and check the focus button. If it says anything other than focus, tap it to enable all notification. If you have an Android device, that process is pretty similar. Swipe down from the top of the screen and look for the do not disturb shortcut icon. If it's enabled, tap it to turn it off. Now you might find that you have already received one or more SMS messages. The next solution is try to get the SMS message from a different device. If you have tried everything else and still can't get an SMS code, try logging in and requesting the SMS code using a different device. For example, if you are using your iPhone or Android device, try logging in with a browser on your computer. Sometimes, requesting a login from a different device will be all you need to get the code. Be careful to stay on the same Wi-Fi networks. So follow these methods to solve this problem. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.